Welcome to SSB Doubts. Understand the PPDT and TAT by examples. Example. Observe the picture
carefully. Pause the video and make your story. High-level idea. Ram was a bank manager in the Nabard, working in a village. Experience working with the villagers. Earlier he understood that the villagers were not forthcoming knowing about the schemes of the government. He decided to go and meet the villagers in person to create awareness of the schemes. He requested the Sarpanch to organize a meeting with the villagers, and on a particular day, he went out and started interacting with them. He gave them all the details about the government schemes, and the villagers took his advice and benefited from it. Qualities demonstrated: good reasoning skills, difficult level of problem solving, responsible, determined and making appropriate decisions. Story 2. Average level idea. Ram was a graduate who came from a village. After his graduation, he went back to help the villagers in their economic development. He had seen that because many of the people had little understanding of finance, they depended mainly on money lenders who took their money from them and made them pay a lot of interest. He thought about this and discussed with the Sarpanch to form a cooperative society through which they could help the people with their money, so they could pay their debts back in installments without interest. His idea was appreciated by the Sarpanch and it was soon implemented. Qualities demonstrated: optimism, average level of problem solving, responsible, determined.
Thanks, subscribe and keep watching for such videos. If you have any doubts regarding SSB interview,
then visit the playlist section.
Join us on other social platforms, link in bio.